Hi guys, it's me again. Hey, thought I'd just take you over the engine that I've got here on my 2004 Holden Commodore VY SV8. So I'm just going to take you through what I've got on the car, the heart of Christina. So here we go. So this is the heart of Christina. It's a 5.7 litre V8. It's an Ls1 Series 3. The only upgrade I've got on it so far is the OTR kit, which is a X-Air, and this was produced by and supplied by Holden Diagnostics from Fielding. He installed it for me, retuned it, as in the engine retuned, retuned the gearbox as well, and tuned it for 98 fuel. Just so much difference, like way much more difference. So they were saying that this engine here has got so much horsepower for what it is, and it's just been. So he's actually just told me that it's another 45 to 50 kilowatts to the rear wheels, or to the actual car itself. But coming from a standard airbox to a cold air intake, mathless tuned as well, sorry. Awesome. You can just tell the power difference straight away. Mathless tune means that basically it goes on air temperatures. So that's just that there. Just plugged in there. Obviously taking the whole box out. But yeah, it's just so much power compared to what it was. It's got standard exhaust manifold right there. I'm hoping to get some extractors for it. It's another 15 kilowatts just on extractors itself. And yeah, got the strut bar, stabilizer bar as to say. It's been cleaned up a little bit, but hoping to get some covers for the heads, which are over there. So this one, the actual red covers there, Ls1 covers, quite expensive, but oh well, be well worth it, look way nicer. But yeah, so that's me for the day. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification button, and yep, there's lots more I can show you. Next will be the interior, what I've done in there, how I've done it, and how to install the stereo, a double din touch screen stereo. Have a great day guys.